Hi guys, welcome back. As you seen on thumbnail, today I'm gonna make whole squid fry filled with mashed potato. So I'm sure you're gonna love it, and I believe your family and you will be happy with this recipe. So stay focused and don't skip the video until the end. Before we start the video, I would like to thank all subscribers and viewers because we reach more than 1000 subscribers right now. So thank you for everyone. So let's jump into the video. Okay guys, let's go quick run through the ingredients. First we have a squid washed and cleaned already, and 2 beaten egg, corn flour, oats, cumin powder, cinnamon powder, oregano, boiled potato, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, salt, black pepper, and lemon juice. Today also I am following 2 steps. First, prepare my baked potato for fill squid. So second one is prepare my whole squid for fry. So stay focused and watch until the end. Okay, now I am adding some black pepper on it. Salt. Cumin powder. Cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Now our paste is ready to fill. So we finished our first part already. So I'm gonna start second part now. So I'm gonna fill that mashed potato inside the squid, and I'm gonna fry it right now. Try this one at home.